With TalentLMS, you can assess your learner's progress with tests. Adding a test to your course is simple. First, open your course and click Edit. Then click Add and select Test from the learning activities. Give your test a name and add a description. TalentLMS offers different question types, including multiple choice, fill in the blank, ordering, and more. Let's create a multiple choice question. Type your question, add possible answers, and check the correct one. You can also add feedback that appears after a submission, or use tags to categorize your question. Click Save. Want to add another one? Let's try Match the Pairs. Type your question, define the pairs, and if needed, add feedback and tags. Click Save when you're done. With TalentLMS, you can also create Fill the Gaps questions where learners complete missing words, Ordering questions where they arrange answers in the correct order, and Free Text questions where they type their own response. Need to reuse questions from other courses? Click Existing Question, select the ones you want, and add them to your test. If you're on a paid plan, you can supercharge your test creation process with our AI-powered question generator. Simply select the units to source your questions from, choose the language, and let the AI instantly generate high-quality questions, saving you valuable time. Alternatively, you can click From Description, enter a few prompts, and hit Generate. To reorder your questions, just drag and drop them into place. To adjust test settings, click the three dots on the test unit and select Test Options. Here, you can set the duration, passing score, number of attempts, and more. For security, you can enable snapshots or require a password. In the Weight tab, you can adjust how much each question counts toward the final score. Make sure to click Save, and your test is now ready.